Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend. Today I am very happy to stand before you to speak. Occasion of 26th January, Republic Day of India. On this day, 1950, our country adopted its constitution and became a republic. Constitution of gives you important rights and such as freedom, equality, and justice. It also teaches you our uh, duties toward our country. We should be respect our nation for rule and help each other. Republic Day reminds us of the great leaders like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, and Jawaharlal Nehru, who worked hard to make India free and strong. Because of their sacrifice, we are able to live in an independent country today. We should be proud to be all Indians always work hard to make our country. Let us promise be honest, disciplined and responsible citizens. Jai Hind. Thank you.
ભાગવાનું નહીં.